So, assuming that you have installed the auto control script, you can just go to Window and then Auto Controls right here. And then you can just drag it on the place where it is comfortable for you. Mine, I put it always here. And then right now what we will do is this simple um scenario here where when I scale this up or when I change the size of this text, I want this emoji PNG image to scale based on the text size and also adjust the position based on the position of our text. So everything is done automatically with just a few clicks. So I'll show you how you can do this. I will just make a new comp and then make it white. So I'll just center this. So first, what I like to do is I like to lock my anchor point for my text, and then I will just drag my emoji, and then I will just I will also lock the anchor point and then our position. So since we will put this PNG image at the right side of our text, I want this anchor point to the left. And also, I will now change the target layer to my text and then set the position to the right. So as you can see, we can now see some results. I can also adjust this. Maybe I'll just put it here. And now I want my emoji to scale based on the text size. And now we can just click on scale and then target the text layer. Now it will scale automatically. Now you can also adjust the scale, and if you don't want to scale uniformly, you can just untick this. But for now, we can just use uniform scale, then back to 100%. So here's how you can use auto controls on this case.